Hi there. Today we are diving into Microsoft Excel to learn how to create new worksheet in your workbook. Whether you are a seasoned Excel user or just starting out, this skill is fundamental. So let's get started. First, let's open the Microsoft Excel, or you have the exciting workbook in the app, and here I'm gonna use or create a new worksheet. Here we have the only worksheet. You can easily use the or create the worksheet by clicking here. It's symbolized with the plus sign, and when I click over here, and it's come up with the new worksheet. Now you can see there sheet 1 and sheet 2. By clicking over here, you can easily get the worksheet. Okay, or you can use the home tab, and from there in the sales group use the insert and click over the insert sheet. Then it will give you the another Excel sheet in your workbook. Or you can use also the by using the keyboard shortcut, you can easily use the control and function element, then it will give you the another worksheet. So this way, and that's how to create new worksheet in Microsoft Excel. It's a fundamental skill for anyone working with data and spreadsheet. So be sure to practice and get comfortable with it. Thanks for watching.